Hello everyone, I hope you all are good. Today I am going to show you how to stitch the latest kaftan dress. First you have to cut the round neck and cut it to the half and cut V separately and paste it onto the fabric. After you cut the extra piece of the fabric and turn the edges of the fabric, and now you attach the neck on the front side of the fabric and stitch all around the neckline. Now you cut the extra piece of the fabric and iron the neck so that it stays down properly. Mark you the back side of the neck and cut it properly. Attach the strip around the back neck. Put the strip right side of the fabric and turn it to the inside. Attach the both neck lines together. That's it. Now I put the solid color of the fabric strips both sides of the dress. Attach these strips both sides. And fold it inward from all sides and cover the edges properly. This is the final look of my kaftan dress that I made for my lovely daughter Fatima. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel and comment please. Thank you.